In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clone of Clickfunnel. We're going to walk through the simple process of duplicating an existing funnel inside your account so you can quickly reuse layouts, settings, and steps without rebuilding everything from scratch. This is especially useful if you've already dialed in a funnel that works well and you want to adapt it for a new product, offer, or audience. First, go ahead and log in to your account, and from your main dashboard, look toward the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see the main navigation menu. Find and click on the option labeled Funnels. This will take you to your Funnels page, where you can see a list of all the funnels you've already created. If you have a lot of funnels, you might want to use the search bar or any available filters to quickly locate the one you're interested in. Once you're on the Funnels page, take a moment to scan through the list and identify the funnel you want to clone. It might help to name your funnels clearly ahead of time, so you know which version is your main or master funnel. Be sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have several similar funnels or variations. The one you choose here is the structure and content that will be copied over. When you found the funnel you want to duplicate, move your cursor to the right side of that funnel's row. You'll see several small icons representing different options and actions. Among these, look for the icon that represents duplicating or copying the funnel. This is the duplicate funnel icon. Click on that icon once. There's no need to open the funnel first. You can do this action directly from the list view. As soon as you click the duplicate icon, the system will automatically create an exact copy of that funnel. This clone includes all the existing steps, pages, and settings from the original funnel, so you don't have to manually recreate anything. After a brief moment, the duplicated funnel will appear right in your funnel's dashboard, usually with a slightly modified name to show it's a copy. From there, you can open your new cloned funnel, rename it, and start customizing it for your new campaign, product, or audience, all while preserving the original funnel as a backup or reference.